Assalamu alaikum dear students. We will discuss about in our today's lecture about manufacture of sodium hydroxide from brine. In earlier we have discussed formation of sodium metal, separation of sodium metal from the sodium chloride by using Donzel's method, and now we will prepare sodium hydroxide from the brine. What is brine? On a scale, caustic soda sodium hydroxide is produced in Nelson cells by electrolysis of aqueous solution of sodium chloride called brine. What is brine? Aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Thus, the schematic diagram of the cell is shown in figure. It consists of a steel tank in which graphite anode is suspended in the center of a U-shaped perforated iron cathode. And this iron cathode is internally lined with asbestos diaphragm. Electrolyte brine is present inside the iron cathode. You can see here. Here is the apparatus which is used to formation of the sodium hydroxide from the brine solution. First of all, inside there is a beaker, and inside the beaker there is a U-shaped structure, and the brine is in the inside the U-shaped structure, and perforated U-shaped structure, and perforated iron cathode. Perforated mean having holes, and in the mid there is a graphite anode which is color gray in color, and red is the brine solution, and black lining is perforated iron cathode, mean it have holes in it. So we will chlorine gas will let out from the solution at anode, and hydrogen gas will be given out at cathode. So aqueous solution of sodium chloride consists of sodium and chlorine ions, hydrogen and hydroxide ions. These ions have moved towards their respective electrodes, and redox reaction takes at these electrodes. For example, sodium will move towards the cathode, and chlorine will have more electron. That chlorine have negative charge will move towards the anode, and sodium will move towards the cathode. Similarly, hydrogen will also move towards the cathode, and hydroxide will move towards the anode. When electrolysis takes place, chloride ions are discharged at anode, and chlorine gas rises into the dome at the top of the cell. The hydrogen ions are discharged at cathode, and hydrogen gas escapes through a pipe. The sodium hydroxide solution slowly percolates into a catch basin. Brine ionized to form sodium and chlorine, and reaction at anode. Chlorine have negative charge, it will move towards anode. And what is the anode? Graphite anode. And then reaction at anode, oxidation take place at anode. Chlorine give its electron and convert into chlorine gas. Reaction at cathode, hydroxide ion will give 4 electrons and will convert into water, and sodium and hydroxide ion, when will combine with each other, they will convert into sodium hydroxide. Reaction at cathode reduction, sodium ions react with hydroxide ions and will convert it to sodium hydroxide ion. So overall reaction is 2 sodium chloride ion and 2 water molecule. When will combine, hydrogen and chlorine gases are released, and the sodium and hydroxide ion will be collect in the catch basin in the steel tank.